Hey there, my name is Amethyst with WTI, and if you're a pale girly like me, but you want to get a nice little tan going, then this is the Tanned AF by b.tan. I love this thing. Let me show you why.
So first things first, going over the texture of this, it is a mousse where a little goes a long way, and I love that. I love that it has this green tint to it, so you know when you've touched your skin with the product, and that way you don't miss any spots. And I also really like that it's super beginner friendly. I am not a pro by any means, but I find that I don't ever have any harsh lines. The glow is really nice and even, and it's just super easy to apply. And I also enjoy that it's easy to blend in, like to your hands and feet. You don't have to worry about harsh lines because it just blends in so seamlessly. Then there is this incredible mitt. I think it's the star of the show. It truly has been so wonderful using this mitt to blend in the product. It keeps my hands from getting all, the self-tan hands. And it just works so great. This is after an hour. You could absolutely leave it on longer if you want it darker, but this was perfect for me, and I absolutely love my results.
So if you're looking to just gradually get tanner, or if you want to go full send, then this is going to be a great product for you. I know tons of people who really love these products, and I also stand by them. So if you want to get tan, I highly recommend this, and that is my point of view.